Unit 11. Tape script 11.1. 1.
Marcus is an interpreter. He can speak French and German fluently.
2.
Laura is an architect. She can draw well.
3.
Justin is a pilot. He can fly 747 jumbo jets.
4.
George is a farmer. He can drive a tractor.
5.
Lola is an athlete. She can run very fast.
6.
Oliver is a schoolboy. He can use a computer really well.
7.
Margaret is Oliver's grandmother. She can make fantastic cakes.
Tape script 11.2.
Can Marcus speak French?
Yes, he can.
Can you speak French?
Yes, I can.
Can Laura draw well?
Yes, she can.
Can you draw well?
No, I can't. I can't draw at all.
Tape script 11.3.
He can speak Spanish. They can't draw. Can you drive? Yes, I can.
Tape script 11.4. Of course I can.
Can you use a computer, Oliver?
Yes, of course I can. All my friends can. I use a computer at home in my bedroom, and we use computers at school all the time.
That's great. What other things can you do?
Well, I can run fast, very fast, and I can draw a bit. I can draw really good cars, but I can't drive them, of course. I can draw good planes too. When I'm big, I want to be a pilot and fly 747s.
Excellent. Now, I know you can speak French.
Yes, I can. I can speak French fluently because my dad's French. We sometimes speak French at home.
Can you speak any other languages?
No, I can't. I can't speak German or Spanish, just French. And English, of course. And I can cook. I can make cakes. My grandma makes fantastic cakes, and I sometimes help her. Yesterday, we made a big chocolate cake.
Tape script 11.5. Pronunciation. 1.
I can ski quite well.
2.
She can't speak German at all.
3.
He can speak English fluently.
4.
Why can't you come to my party?
5.
We can't understand our teacher.
6.
They can read music.
7.
Can I have an ice cream, please?
8.
Can cats swim?
Tape script 11.6. Jenny Spitzer.
I live in the city of Tucumán. I teach English. I can speak Spanish fluently and German a little bit. I love it here. Saturday night is dancing night, and I go dancing with friends. A lot of my friends can play the guitar really well. I can't play a musical instrument, but I can dance very well. I love the music. On Sundays, I often go riding here. I can ride quite well now. Or sometimes I watch friends playing golf. I can't play golf, but I like watching it. Sunday is also the day for asado, or barbecues. We always cook beef. I can't cook at all, but I want to learn. It's a great life here. Everyone is really friendly.
Tape script 11.7. Requests and offers. 1.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
I want to buy this postcard.
2.
Can you tell me the time, please?
It's about 3:30.
3.
Can you come to my party?
Sorry, I can't. It's my grandma's birthday on Saturday.
4. Can I have a glass of water, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
5.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
I'm sorry. Is this better? Can you understand me now?
6.
Can I give you a lift?
Oh, yes, please. That's so kind of you.
Tape script 11.8. The Internet. You can do more and more on the Internet.
It's history. The Internet started in the 1960s. The United States Department of Defense started it because they wanted a computer network to help the American military. In the 1970s, scientists worked on it and learned how to send messages between computers. Then, in the 1980s, telephone companies made it possible to communicate on the computer network in many more countries. An international computer language was born, and the net went worldwide.
Millions of uses. You can use the Internet for millions of things. You can Google for information about anything and everything. You can buy and sell clothes and cars. You can book a hotel, a holiday, or tickets for the cinema. You can pay your bills. You can watch your favourite TV program. You can play chess with a partner in Moscow. You can chat to your friends and share photographs on Facebook. You can write a blog about your life. You can... The list is endless.
Tape script 11.9. What do you do on the Internet? 1. Charlotte, age 14.
I use the Internet a lot. Every day, I think. It helps me with my homework. I Google for information or I use Wikipedia. It helps me with everything. History, geography, science, English, everything. Yesterday, I got a lot of information about Jane Austen.
2. Lauren, age 20.
I go on Facebook a lot, sometimes 3 or 4 times a day. It's a great way to hear all your friends' news and see all their photographs. Yesterday, I posted all the photos from my party last weekend. You can see them if you want.
3. Santiago, age 23.
I play the guitar and I can find lots of songs on the Internet. Yesterday, I got the words and music for Can't Buy Me Love, by the Beatles. I can play it now. I use the Internet mostly in the evenings, when I have to.
4. Alan Crum, age 47.
Well, my surname, my family name is Crum, and I want to write about my family, so I use the Internet to find out about my family's history. There are special websites for this. Also, I can chat to people with the same name from all over the world, Canada, Germany, Argentina. It's really interesting. I usually use it on Sundays because I have more time then.
5. Max, age 10.
I play games a lot, and I go on websites for my favourite pop groups and football players. I want to be on the computer all the time, but my mum says I can't. She says I can only use it after school for an hour. and then I stop.
6. Edna, age 71.
I go shopping on the internet. Every Friday, I go to my son's house and I use his computer. It's fantastic. The supermarket brings all my shopping to my home. I want a computer now. I want to send emails to my friends. Most of my friends have computers.
Tape script 11.10. Adjectives and nouns. 1.
A Ferrari is a fantastic car. It's so fast.
Yeah, I know, but it's also so expensive.
2.
How tall is your brother?
He's very tall. 1.9 metres. I'm only 1.7 metres.
3.
I think motor racing is a really dangerous sport.
I know it's dangerous, but it's exciting too. That's why I love it.
4.
Can I have a fresh orange juice, please?
I'm afraid we don't have fresh.
OK, just a glass of water then.
5.
New York is a very cosmopolitan city. I love it.
Me too. I can't believe I'm here.
6.
Charlie Chaplin made some very funny films, don't you think?
No, I don't like his films. I think they're really boring.
7.
We can't go for a walk. It's too cold and wet.
Yes, we can. Look, it's sunny again. Come on.
Tape script 11.11. Everyday problems. 1.
Excuse me. Can you help me? I'm lost.
Where'd you want to go?
Grand Central Station.
Turn left onto Park Avenue. It's straight on. You can't miss it.
2.
Oh, no!
What's the matter?
There's something wrong with my computer. I can't get on the internet, so I can't send my emails.
Turn everything off and try again. That sometimes works.
3.
Excuse me, this ticket machine doesn't work.
Did you push the green button?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Ah, well. Here's your ticket.
Thank you very much.
4.
Come on, it's time to go to the airport.
But I can't find my passport. I can't find it anywhere.
You put it in your bag.
Did I? Oh, yes. Here it is. Phew.
5.
Are you all right?
Yes, I think so.
Does your arm hurt?
It hurts a bit, but I think it's okay.
6.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
It's okay. The film starts in 15 minutes.
I missed the bus.
I told you, it doesn't matter. Come on, let's go.